Hi everybody, it's Joe Krug from Finsweet with a new effing sweet Webflow hack. In this hack, we learn how to hide a static title if there are no items inside of a dynamic list. Let's say you have events and there are no upcoming events. You don't want to show upcoming events with nothing underneath it. So we're going to hide that title if there's nothing in the list. Let's see how it works. We're in the live example and we see a collection list with active items showing on the page and a static title. Let's say this is a list of events, upcoming events, and we have 4 upcoming events, and this is a title outside of the dynamic list that says view our upcoming events. Great, this is perfect. Let's say there are no events. You don't want to have a title that says upcoming events with a big blank box under it, or a no items message that says check back later for upcoming events. You want to remove this title. You may want to remove the entire section, and we're going to do that. So first, we're on the live version of everything there. You can see the static title. You can see the dynamic list. Now let's go into Designer. Let's go and apply a filter that makes all of these not show. So not show. And we know that there are no names here of not show. So as I do this, all of our items are going to go away. This is an empty state of a dynamic list. We don't want this title anymore that says my active collection items, because guess what? There are no active collection items. So let's go and publish this page. And now when we go and load the live page, we're going to see all of our items not there and our static title not there either. All right, let's go and make sure this works. I'm going to reload the live page, and that's it. Great. So our dynamic items aren't there, our text isn't there, and you can apply this same logic to an entire section, to any element on the page. If these dynamic items are not there, if it's empty, go ahead and hide this other item. Let's go into Designer and see how this works. We're in Designer and we have 3 important classes to add. 2 are going to be on the CMS Dynamic List, 1 on the text. All right, let's go and see what we have here. We have a Hack 30 CMS wrapper as the outermost wrapper of the CMS list. And then we have the Hack 30 CMS list. This is the class of the list that's holding all of our items. So we need these 2 important classes when we jump into JavaScript. So just go ahead and have the Hack 30 CMS wrapper, Hack 30 CMS list. Next, we need to have a class on the text that we're going to remove, and that's the Hack 30 static title class. Please know that you can add this to any item, element, asset on the page. You can hide a graphic, you can hide a whole section. I can use the Hack content class here and just hide the entire section. You could do anything. You can even put the class on multiple elements throughout the page. It is totally up to you. When there's no items in the list, we're going to hide anything with this class, Hack 30 static title. Let's break down this code line by line. Before the closing body tag, we're going to insert our script. This is a short one, it's easy, and it's super useful. Let's see how this is working. If there is nothing inside of the Hack 30 CMS list, we're going to hide our Hack 30 static title. Let's break it down further. We are targeting our Hack 30 CMS list, and we are finding the length. So what's inside of our CMS list? It's our CMS items, and the length is searching for those items. Length is all the children of this element, and the children are the items. So If these are not there, exclamation is not. So if it is not a thing, if the length of the list is not a thing, go ahead and hide our static title. If it is a thing, if there are items in the list, we do have a length and they're there, we want to show that title, and we're going to skip this line of code that hides the title. That's it. It's super simple, super easy. If you want to go ahead and add more elements to hide, go ahead and do that. So maybe you want to hide another part of the page, or maybe you want to hide the entire section. You can go and do that and you hide whatever you want. So super powerful, super useful, and now you don't have to worry about empty CMS lists with static titles. Thank you so much for checking out this hack. Please clone the project. We have the entire hacks project available for clone. Start learning how these hacks work and use them on your live site. We're always releasing new hacks, so if you want to be updated, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want a super simple plain text email when we release a new hack, sign up at finsweet.com/hacks-updates. If you want to request a hack, we'll check it out and see if it's possible in Webflow. Go to finsweet.com/hacks-request. That's effing sweet.